This procedure is used to repair minor damage to circuit baseboard material. Scrapes and scratches in the baseboard material may be caused by accidents during handling. Burns in the base material may be caused by improper use of soldering and desoldering tools. The minimum skill level needed to complete this procedure reliably is advanced. The conformance level reached when this procedure is completed properly is high. See the web page for a list of the tools and materials required to complete this procedure. The procedure follows. Step 1. Clean the damaged area. Step 2. Scrape away the damaged baseboard material using a knife. All damaged baseboard material and solder mask must be removed at the surface. Mill away the damaged baseboard material using the micro drill system and ball mill. All damaged baseboard material and solder mask must be removed. Note: to clearly see that all damaged material has been removed, flood the area with alcohol or solvent. Damaged internal fibers of the base material will show up clearly. Use caution. Abrasion operations can generate electrostatic charges. Note: an undercut to enhance mechanical strength may be desired for Class 3 product. Step 3. Remove all loose material and clean the area. Step 4. Where needed, apply high-temperature tape to protect exposed parts of the circuit board. Note: the circuit board may be preheated prior to filling the area with epoxy. A preheated PC board will allow the epoxy to easily flow and level out. Epoxy applied to an unheated circuit board may settle below the circuit board surface as the epoxy cures. Step 5. Mix the epoxy. If desired, add color agent to the mixed epoxy to match the PC board color. Step 6. Fill the area with epoxy and flush with the circuit board surface. No fibers of laminate material should be exposed. A mixing stick sharpened at the end may be used to apply and spread the epoxy. For large areas, apply the epoxy with a foam swab to create a texture on the surface. Note: a slight overfill of epoxy may be desired to allow for shrinkage when the epoxy cures. Note: the epoxy may be applied using a foam swab to restore the surface appearance. Step 7. Cure the epoxy per Procedure 2.7 Epoxy mixing and handling. Use caution. Some components may be sensitive to high temperatures. Step 8. After the epoxy has cured, remove the tape. Step 9. If needed, use a knife or scraper and scrape off any excess epoxy. Scrape until the new epoxy surface is level with the surrounding circuit board surface. Step 10. Remove all loose material. Then clean the area. Note: if needed, apply an additional thin coating to seal any scraped areas. Evaluation. Step 1. Visual examination for texture and color match. Step 2. Electrical tests to conductors around the repaired area as applicable. Step 3. No excess epoxy is covering circuits or sensitive areas. Step 4. Epoxy is fully bonded and no evidence of chipping.